In this session, I am going to discuss energy level diagram for both homonuclear and heteronuclear diatomic molecules. Oxygen molecule. Atomic number of oxygen is 8. In oxygen molecule, it contains total 16 electrons. Means greater than 14. Therefore, here the position of these orbitals will exchange. This is the electronic configuration. We can calculate the bond order. In bonding molecular orbital, 10 electrons are present. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. In antibonding molecular orbital, total 6 electrons present. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. Therefore, the bond order for oxygen is 2 and it is paramagnetic in nature. Oxygen is a paramagnetic because presence of unpaired electron. Oxygen anion O2 minus means we are adding one electron. In oxygen molecule, total 16 electron is present. We are adding one electron and it contains totally 17 electrons. We have to fill the electrons here. While filling the electron, here the one electron enter into the pi star 2py and they are pair up. And the bond order will be 1.5 and the magnetic nature is paramagnetic because presence of unpaired electron. O2 2 minus. In this we are again adding the 2 electron. For 16 electron we are adding 2 electron, we get 18 electrons. You can observe in molecular orbitals there is no unpaired electron. The molecule is diamagnetic but the bond order is 1. Heteronuclear diatomic molecule. While drawing the energy level diagram, the more electronegative atomic orbital written just below of that less electronegative atomic orbital. For example, NO molecule. In NO molecule, the nitrogen atomic number is 7 and the oxygen atomic number is 8. Therefore, in this molecule, it contains totally 15 electrons. We can write the electronic configuration like this. While drawing the energy level diagram, the atomic orbital of oxygen should be written below because oxygen is more electronegative than the nitrogen. Therefore, the oxygen atomic orbital having the less energy than that of the atomic orbital of nitrogen. In the same manner, we are going to fill the electron in orbital. 15 electrons are filled and we can calculate the bond order. 10 minus 5 divided by 2, we get 2.5. And here unpaired electron is present, therefore NO molecule is paramagnetic in nature. The next one, NO plus. In NO molecule, it contains 15 electron. NO plus, it contains 14 electron, means one electron is removed. One electron is removed and the bond order become 3 and the nature will be diamagnetic because there is no unpaired electron in NO plus. Carbon monoxide. Carbon atomic number is 6, oxygen atomic number is 8. Total it contains 14 electrons. We are filling the electrons in molecular orbital. There is no unpaired electron is present, therefore carbon monoxide is diamagnetic and the bond order will be 3. In HCl molecule, The chlorine is more electronegative than the hydrogen. This molecule contains totally 18 electrons. But in 18 electrons, only one electron involving in bond formation, that is 3pz electron, because we already know that the formation of non-bonding molecular orbital, if the energy gap or the distance between the orbital is maximum, there is no overlapping of orbital. In HCl molecule, they form non-bonding molecular orbitals. Only overlap is possible with 3pz. Bond order will be 1 and the nature will be diamagnetic. And this is the 3s orbital and it is 1s orbital. This is for the hydrogen, this is for the chlorine atom. The energy gap of these two is very large, therefore this is not involving in bond formation and remain as non-bonding orbital. Here the 3px and 3py, they are again non-bonding molecular orbitals because the internuclear axis of these two are different compared with the s orbital, but
z orbital and 1s orbital overlap easily and forms the bond